Good morning everybody. Today we will do exercise 2.6. It's question number 1. We have to find first part. See here 0.2, it is getting multiplied by 6. Simply we have to multiply this 2 by 6. We all know 2 6 are 12. So I have written 12 here. Now see here, after decimal there is only one digit. After decimal के बाद यहाँ पे सिर्फ एक डिजिट है, तो हम क्या करेंगे कि पीछे से काउंट करेंगे एक डिजिट और उसके बाद यहाँ पे हम डेसिमल लगा देंगे एंड आंसर विल बी 1.2. नाउ थर्ड केस 2.71, इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5. सी हाउ वी हैव डन इट. 5 ones are this 5, it is getting multiplied by this one. 5 ones are 5. Then again this 5 multiplied by 7, 5 sevens are 35. So we'll write here 5 and carry is 3. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 3, 13. I've written here 13. Now see here, after decimal there are two digits, 7 and 1. After decimal there are two digits. So to place decimal in answer, we have to start counting from the last digit 1, 2, and here we will put decimal. See again, please try to understand it. 5 ones are 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5, it carries 3. Then this 5 is multiplied by 2. 5 twos are 10 plus 3, 13. डेसिमल के पीछे 2.71 में दो डिजिट है, 7 और 1 दो डिजिट. तो आप आंसर के लिए जो आंसर आपने लिखा है आप पीछे से काउंट करेंगे फर्स्ट डिजिट एंड सेकेंड डिजिट एंड यू विल प्लेस हियर डेसिमल. आंसर इज 13.55. नाउ सी इट्स फिफ्थ पार्ट. 0.05 multiplied by 7. Simply you multiply 5 by 7. 5 sevens are 35, we all know. ध्यान से देखिए, यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद दो डिजिट है 0 and 5. After decimal, here it is 2 digit. So to place decimal in answer, we will start counting from the last digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, and here we will place decimal. Now in sixth part, 211.02 is multiplied by 4. See how you have multiplied. It's very easy. 4 multiplied by 2, it is 8. Then again this 4 is multiplied by 0. Then 4 zeros are 0. Then this 4 is multiplied by 1. 4 ones are 4. Then again this 4 is multiplied by 1. 4 ones are 4. 4 is multiplied by 2. 4 twos are 8. Now to place decimal, see here, in this case after decimal there are two digits only. So to place decimal in answer, we will start counting from the last digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, and before 2 digit we will place this decimal. Again see how we have multiplied it. 4 is getting multiplied by 2. We have got here 8. Again this 4 is being multiplied by 0. We have got 0. Then 4 is multiplied by 1. 4. 4 is multiplied by 1. 4. And 4 twos are 8. Then here 211.02. After decimal there are two digits. So we'll start counting from the last digit, 1 digit, 2 digit, and we'll place here decimal. After this we are coming on question number 2. Find the area of the rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. It is already given. Length of the rectangle is 5.7 centimeter and breadth of the rectangle is 3 centimeter. I have drawn rectangle for you. Say the rectangle is ABCD and length is given as 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. And you have to find the area occupied by the rectangle or area enclosed within this figure ABCD. Area of rectangle, we all know it is length into breadth, L into B. In place of L, I have written here 5.7. It is given to you. In place of breadth, I have written 3 centimeter. It is already given to you. Now, how we have multiplied? 3 sevens are 21. So, 1 we have written and 2 will be carry. 3 multiplied by 5, it is 15. And 15 plus 2, it is 17. After decimal, there is only one digit. So, we will start counting from the last digit, 1 digit, and we have placed here 1. And while finding out area, this centimeter, it is getting multiplied by this centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter, it will be centimeter square. Its power will be 2. Now we are coming on question number 3. Its first part, we have to find out the product. 1.3, it is getting multiplied by 0. It's very easy. When one number is 10, 100, 1000, like this, what we have to do is we'll place that much 0 behind the given number. See, here it is given 1.3 multiplied by 10. In 10 there is 1 0. So we will write here 13 and we'll put 0 behind it. And now see here, after decimal there is only one digit. So we'll start counting from the last digit, the 0, and we'll place here 1. 13.0, and it can be simply written as 13. Now after this we are coming on its sixth part. It is given as 156.1 multiplied by 100. See, 156.1. Simply I have written here 1561. And in 100 there is 2 zeros. So I have placed here 2 0. Now after decimal there is only one digit. So I will start counting from the last digit 1 and I will place here 0. And answer will be 15610. The 0 behind the decimal, it doesn't have any value. ध्यान से एक बार फिर से समझेंगे इसको. यहाँ पे आपको दिया हुआ है 156.1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 100. आपको कुछ नहीं करना है यहाँ पे, सिर्फ आप क्या करोगे, ये 1561 आप एज इट इज ऐसे का ऐसा ही लिख देंगे. 1561, 100 में आपके 2 0 हैं तो आपने 1561 के पीछे 2 0 लगा दिया. अब इधर देखिए, आपका डेसिमल के बाद सिर्फ एक डिजिट है, तो आप पीछे से गिनती शुरू करोगे, पहला डिजिट, और यहाँ पे आपने डेसिमल प्लेस कर दिया. और डेसिमल के बाद जो लास्ट के एकदम जीरोस होते हैं उनकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती है, इसलिए हम लोग 15610.0 को सिर्फ 15161 लिखेंगे. नाउ वी आर कमिंग ऑन एट्थ पार्ट. एट्थ पार्ट इज 43.07 into 100. We have written 4307 like this, the first number like this only without decimal, and in 100 there are 2 zeros, so we have placed here 2 zeros. अब यहाँ पे देखेंगे डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट है, तो आप पीछे से 2 गिनोगे 1 2 और यहाँ पे आपने डेसिमल लगा दिया एंड आंसर विल बी 4307. नाउ 10th part, it is given as 0.08 into 10. You just simply write down 008 and in 10 there is 1 0, so place 1 0 here, and in this case after decimal there are 2 digits, 1 2, so you have to start counting from the last digit and answer 1 2, and before this 2 digit place decimal. This can be written as 0.8. This 0 doesn't have any value after decimal. Now come to 12th part, 0.03 multiplied by 1000. You simply write down 003 and in 1000 there is 3 zeros, so place 3 zeros. Now see here, after decimal there are 2 digits. After decimal there are 2 digits. So start counting from the last digit 1 2 and place here decimal. So answer will be only 30. The last 2 zeros after the decimal, they don't have any value, so answer is 30.